The Honourable Members of Parliament who was on a recent trip to Israel has contravened the convention to punish those supporting apartheid, and it is a requirement of the police and prosecution department to make sure that South Africa adheres to its obligations in terms of the convention. In other words, that those who promote apartheid in any way needs to be punished. So there is already legislation in place in South Africa that where these members of parliament can be charged for committing a crime against humanity, because supporting apartheid is regarded as a crime against humanity. So what the members of parliament did that was wrong is that they were promoted an apartheid activity, and already some of the honourable members have come back from their trip to say that they've seen no signs of apartheid, whereas internationally reputed human rights organizations and also resolutions of international bodies have declared that Israel is an apartheid state. So the fact that they went on this trip during constituency week, where they're supposed to serve their constituency, is also a concern, and that matter has been referred to the Speaker to take further action.